Republicans are challenging laws across the country that are aimed at protecting military and overseas voters from disenfranchisement. In Illinois, Mississippi, and North Dakota, Republicans are challenging laws that allow mail-in ballots to be counted if they are sent back or postmarked by Election Day but received several days after. The 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals will hear arguments in the Illinois case this week. This case challenges a state law that allows mail-in ballots to be received and counted for up to 2 weeks after an election as long as they're postmarked or sent by Election Day. Led by Republican congressman for the state's 12th congressional district, Michael Bost, the Republican plaintiffs argue that this extended mail-in ballot deadline burdens their right to vote by allowing illegal ballots to dilute the value of ballots timely cast on or before Election Day. A Trump-appointed federal district judge dismissed this lawsuit and flatly rejected these claims back in July, ruling that plaintiffs' votes here are not diluted by other valid, lawfully cast votes. But Republicans appealed the decision to the 7th Circuit. Even the U.S. Department of Justice got involved in this case, arguing that this law is necessary to protect military and overseas voters from being disenfranchised through no fault of their own. DOJ maintains that these types of rules exist to comply with the Uniformed and Overseas Citizens Absentee Voting Act. If the court rules in favor of Republicans, thousands of voters could be disenfranchised simply due to postal delays, something that they have no control over. As we know, Democrats are far more likely than their Republican counterparts to vote by mail, largely due to Donald Trump continuing to peddle repeatedly debunked conspiracy theories that mail-in voting causes voter fraud. So it's no surprise that Republicans keep attacking this voting method. Although Thursday's argument specifically concerns Illinois' election law, the 7th Circuit's eventual decision could reverberate across the entire country, where Republicans and other right-wing groups are continuing to challenge mail-in ballot receipt deadlines through new litigation. Last month, another Trump-appointed judge dismissed a lawsuit brought by Cleta Mitchell's legal group challenging North Dakota's mail-in ballot receipt deadline, which allows for the counting of mail-in ballots postmarked by Election Day but received up to 13 days after. Meanwhile, a duo of recent federal lawsuits filed by the Republican National Committee itself and the Libertarian Party of Mississippi mount nearly identical legal challenges in the state, where mail-in ballots can be counted if they are sent back by Election Day but received up to 5 business days after. Despite these Republican legal challenges, accepting mail-in ballots after Election Day is commonplace throughout the United States. 19 states and Washington, D.C. have post-Election Day mail-in ballot receipt deadlines. We'll see what the court does. Thanks for watching Democracy Docket. If you want to stay up to date on these cases or other election and voting news in the courts, make sure to sign up for our newsletters. You can click the link on the screen or in the description of this video.